In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check service metrics on eBay account. If you sell on eBay, keeping an eye on your service metrics is important because it helps you understand how your account is performing from a customer service perspective. These metrics can give you useful insight into buyer experience and help you stay aware of any issues that could affect your seller standing over time. The good news is that finding this section in eBay is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. To begin, make sure you're logged into your eBay account and viewing the main seller area. From there, look toward the top navigation and click on Sell. This takes you into the Seller Hub, which is where eBay organizes many of the tools you need to manage listings, monitor performance, and review account-related details. If you use eBay regularly for selling, this is a section you'll probably return to often. Once you're in the seller area, move your cursor over Performance. You don't need to click right away if the menu appears when you hover. This section is where eBay groups together important seller performance information, so it's a good place to check whenever you want a clearer picture of how your account is doing. Hovering here should reveal additional options related to your selling performance and account health. From the Performance menu, click on Service Metrics. This will open the page where eBay displays the service metrics connected to your account. On this page, you can review the information eBay provides about your service-related performance. Depending on your account and selling activity, the details shown here can help you understand whether you're meeting expectations in areas that matter to eBay and to buyers. When reviewing this section, take a moment to read the labels and any notes on the page carefully. eBay often presents performance data in a way that compares your account to expected standards, so it's helpful to understand what each metric means before drawing conclusions. If anything looks unusual, this page can be a useful starting point for identifying patterns you may want to improve. And that's all it takes to check your service metrics on eBay. Just go to Sell, hover over Performance, and then select Service Metrics. It's a simple path, but it gives you access to information that can be very valuable for maintaining a strong seller account and improving the overall buyer experience.